Volvo already has plenty of experience in the electric car segment with its C40 and XC40 Recharge models, along with its stylish Polestar sub-brand. However, the new EX90 SUV represents the firm's first bespoke electric car and is set to replace the 7-seat XC90 model when it enters production in late 2023, with first deliveries scheduled for early 2024. From the outset, we can see the overall design of the EX90 is clearly an evolution of the XC90 mixed with some influence from the Polestar brand. The bluff silhouette, sharp shoulder line, and Volvo's signature Thor's hammer headlights are all retained, although we can see a blanked-off grille, flush-fitting door handles, and aerodynamic wheels, all in the aid of maximizing this big EV's range. The rear light clusters follow a similar layout to the XC90's but are now designed in a split arrangement. The big news for the EX90 is that it sits on the same pure electric SPA2 platform as the newly unveiled Polestar 3. A choice of two dual-motor powertrain options will be available, with the entry-level twin-motor variant producing 402 bhp and 770 Nm of torque, hauling the 2,818 kg SUV from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 5.9 seconds. The more expensive twin-motor performance version cuts a full second from this time, thanks to a more potent motor setup with 510 bhp and 910 Nm of torque. Both are limited to a top speed of 112 miles per hour. Each model is equipped with a 107 kWh usable battery, but with its preliminary 364-mile range figure, the twin motor goes 4 miles further than its more powerful stablemate. A 10 to 80% top-up takes half an hour thanks to 250 kilowatts DC charging capability, and the SPA2 architecture also provides bidirectional charging capability. The technology is still under development, but it could allow users to send energy from the batteries back to the grid during peak times. The system can also power electrical appliances, or other Volvo EVs. At over 5 meters long, Volvo's flagship continues to offer seating for 7, with a 310-liter boot. This grows to 655 liters with a third row folded away, and a cavernous 1,915-liter load bay is available with just the front seats in place. The size of the EX90 means it'll rival the Mercedes EQS SUV, BMW iX, Audi Q8 e-tron, and upcoming models like the Kia EV9 and Range Rover EV. The EX90 is kitted out with Volvo's latest array of radars and camera systems to make it the firm's safest car yet. These sensors, along with a LiDAR unit which can detect objects hundreds of meters down the road, even at night, communicate with the SUV's NVIDIA Drive onboard computer, which processes road information in real time. Along with a comprehensive suite of driver assists, including a pilot assist function that can take control of the steering, the EX90 offers a concentration monitoring system and sufficient hardware to enable autonomous driving in the future. Volvo is ramping up its in-car connectivity suite with the EX90, which arrives with Snapdragon computing power and Unreal Engine 5 graphics, which has been used to develop blockbuster gaming titles. A 14.5-inch portrait touchscreen sits at the heart of the largely button-free, minimalist cabin, which runs an evolution of Volvo's Google infotainment software. The system includes a variety of Google apps and bundles 5G connectivity, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. A Bowers & Wilkins Dolby Atmos-enabled stereo also features, and customers are able to use a smartphone-based digital key to access the car and adjust its home charging schedule. Volvo also plans to improve the EX90 software throughout its lifecycle via over-the-air updates. In the UK, the EX90 will be launched in range-topping ultra-spec, costing a projected £96,255 in twin-motor guise and £100,555 in top-spec twin-motor performance trim. It will be available via Volvo's Care by Volvo all-in-one subscription service from £1,599. Riding on air suspension and 22-inch alloy wheels, Ultra models include a LiDAR system and driver attention monitor, along with the aforementioned Bowers & Wilkins Hi-Fi, recycled fabric upholstery, and a panoramic glass roof. A 4-zone climate control setup is also fitted as standard, along with a cabin air purifier, soft close doors, and pixel LED headlights.